Everyone, my name is Loputuvina Maharani. I'm from Food and Beverage Management Class D. Now, in this video, I want to tell you about describe my hometown festival. Festival in my hometown is the Buleleng Art Festival. Buleleng Festival takes place in August every year at Monument Singa Ambara Raja. This happened in order to increase the tourism potential in Buleleng district and also serve as an example of a harmonious life between religious communities and from various ethnic groups. A festival called Buleleng Art Festival was great. This festival involves a lot of artists in the Buleleng area and its surroundings, like the Seririt, Kubu Tambahan, Tejakula, Sukesade, Sawan, Banjar, Gerokga, Busungbiu, and Buleleng areas dams. This festival is often referred to as the original Buleleng culture art festival that has not been touched by modern things. The people there do a lot of things because the events that are held provide a lot of entertainment, starting from native Balinese art, art from people of Chinese descent, people from the island of Java, and also Islamic art such as Hadrah, which will sing religious songs as a form of respect for the Prophet Muhammad. The people who come from the Bugis ethnic group also present some Islamic traditional that they brought from their home areas. The various art that the Bugis community will perform are martial arts, dance, and music. This festival is important to me because this art festival will be the most powerful reminder for the Buleleng community in general about the missing of various cultures from various ethnicities to create new arts. Well, that's all from me. Thank you.